Come on, let's go get the puppy. Hold this puppy. Let's go put it up. Okay. Okay, come on. I'm sorry. All right, we'll be back, family. God damn it. What's up, family? What's up, family? Amir here playing with his puppy. That's your puppy, Mimir? That's your puppy? Don't grab on her skin like that, Papa. Y'all, that is Barbie and Hustle puppy, y'all. That girl is thick than a snake. I mean, Barbie and Bank. I'm sorry, y'all. They would have got in my chest, too. That is no Hustle, baby. I'm sorry, y'all. That is Hustle. I mean, God damn it. That is Bank. Bank and Barbie puppy, y'all. Some of y'all probably gonna be like, what's wrong with his kitchen? We in the middle of remodeling my kitchen, y'all, so just bear with us. I'm giving the puppies their shots, y'all, so as y'all can see, these countertops over here, we haven't put the epoxy on it yet. It's gonna be an undermount sink right there, but over here, we already poured the epoxy. Y'all see how that thing look? Yeah. We gonna put the backsplash in. That thing gonna be fire. Brand new cabinons. Put on some clothes, boy. But family, I'm finna show y'all. I'm finna get it. I already gave her shot. That's my keeper female. I haven't named her yet, family. But I gotta think of a fire name for her, y'all. A fire name for her, family. So family, I'll be right back, y'all. I'm finna get these pups. I'm just doing one at a time, y'all, and give them their shots. I'm gonna have top recorded, y'all. So family, I'm gonna be right back. All right, family. This is my keeper female right here, y'all. I already gave her shots. Well, the other puppies, I'm finna show y'all them. And I'm gonna do their shots. But that's my girl right there, I'm keeping. Yes, Papa. Huh. Don't drop the doggy now. Yeah, don't drop her. Boom. Boom. There you go. Alright. I gotta go get another puppy, okay? Hold on, Papa. I'm gonna be right back, y'all. But I already gave her shot, but this my girl. Yeah, my baby. My baby, y'all. But y'all, I'm gonna be right back, Familito. Alright, y'all, there go that bell. That's that mail. That's that mirror mail that everybody been asking me about. That's Ghost right there, y'all. Y'all let me know which pup is the best puppy to you. Please let me know in the comments which pup you like the best. But that's Ghost right there, y'all. He is available. He is available. Look at that boy. Daddy. All right, hold the dog while I go get the shot. Hold him. You gotta put him down. I can't hold the dog.
No.
Alright. Remember, y'all, with this shot, you can go in the back of the neck, side of the leg, or the back thigh. Not into the muscle, under the skin, family. I think they call that sub-Q. You was in the medical field, babe. Is that sub-Q? Well, humans can't go under the skin. Can we?
Sub-Q is like an angle, that's what you call it. So
I heard my vet say sub-Q.
So it's the angle that you go in. Like
in
the
the dog world, I think sub-Q mean under the skin. I think. Listen, family. Go under the skin. Don't poke that dog in the muscle. Amir, back up, boy, before you get a shot. What you looking at your pee-pee for? Boy, you don't pee faster than a puppy. This boy Amir though, boy, we about to get you some pee-pee pads, boy.
Daddy.
And then that's it, family. I done plenty of videos, y'all, on how to get these shots, y'all. So I really just wanted to show these pups, y'all. And you just massage it in. You'll feel a little knot, family, where you out there. I just gave him a shot right there. Be careful, Papa. I just gave him a shot right there. Throw the puppy right here. But that's my big boy Ghost right there, y'all. That's big Ghost right there. Ooh, Fabelito. All right, family, listen, I'm finna go get another pup. I'm gonna be real butt. Boy, you finna get your beating. You finna get a beating, boy. We gonna be back, boy. Come here, come on, pick the puppy up. Bring the puppy to daddy. Bring the puppy to daddy, boy.
Daddy?
Yes, bring me the puppy. Ah, good job, yay, All right, family. Now, this is my boy Monster right here, y'all. Hold up. This is my boy Monster. Again, y'all, let me know which pup you like the best. This boy is available. Go ahead, sit down, pup. This boy is available, family. That's Monster right there. Ooh. That's Monster de Leon. Smash mouth, big old head, just like his daddy. I'm gonna put a picture of his daddy and these puppies' mama on the screen, y'all. All right, man. You gonna do the shot?
Yeah.
All right, family. We gonna do this one in the arm. Just lift the skin up, bam, and go under the skin.
Yeah.
And that's it. Give it a second.
Shut up.
Pinch it. Hold it.
Hold up.
Rub it in. And that's it. That's it, family.
That's it. Yeah.
Say that's it, family. That boy's so nervous. He's shaking like a stripper right now.
Yeah.
Quit twerking in here, boy. Monster. Now, you don't want to play with this puppy, huh? Say, Daddy, I want to play with the puppy that I'm keeping. But yeah, y'all. Okay, hold on, puppy. Let me go get another puppy. That's Monster, y'all. So this boy is available, y'all. He is available. Blue try. Them the last two puppies in this litter. Everything else I'm about to show y'all is it's gone. It is gone, Familito. So I'm gonna be back. Y'all hit that like button and subscribe. Amir, tell them to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Say hit the like button. Boy, put your lip. Boy, hey. What you trying to do in here? You trying to get me demonetized? Put that thing up. Put it up. Fix your face. All right, I'm sorry. Come on, give me a hug. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, come on. Let's go get the next puppy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. All right. Oh, I'm sorry, Papa. Give me a kiss. Give Daddy a kiss. Mimi, give me a kiss. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go get the puppy. Come on. Mimi, hold this puppy. Here. Hold this puppy. Come on, let's go get the puppy. Come on. Get up. You gotta get up. Come on, let's go get the puppy. Hold this puppy. Let's go put it up. Okay. Okay, come on. I'm sorry. All right. We'll be back, family. God damn it. All right, y'all. Now, this the next boy. Shout out to my boy, Caleb. This Caleb boy right here. This the biggest puppy in the litter right here. This the biggest mamma jamma in the Lambo. Matter of fact, we're going to call this boy Lambo. Yeah. We're going to call this boy Lambo. My boy Lambo. But yeah, we finna hit Lambo with his shot real quick, y'all. We'll do Lambo on the back leg. Remember, under the skin, family. Man, you're going to feel a little knot, family. That's okay. Don't panic. I had somebody call me the other day. Hey, Petty, I gave my dog the shot and there was a knot. It swelled up. I said, that's fine, baby. You just massage it in. Just massage it in. It'll be gone in a few hours. That knot will be gone. Gone. But family, that's my boy Lambo right there. I like Lambo for him. Ooh. Lambo. That's Lambo, family. We're gonna be right again. Which pup is what you like the best? Give me some. You back now? You good? All right, we good. I'm gonna be back with another one. I'll be back, family. Though. All right, family. Now this girl right here. Shout out to Bird. This Bird girl right here. Come on now, family. Ain't too many people doing it like this. It is not too many people doing it like this. Look at that girl, man. Hold on, Papa. Hold up. Sit right here. Sit next to Daddy. Look at that. Look at that girl, man. Look how the tail stick up in the air like that. That's confidence. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
She done had her shot. She been vaccinated, y'all. No COVID over here. This the Pfizer right here, y'all. This the Pfizer right here. Shout out to Bird. Shout out to my man Bird. And a few people ask me like, hey, bro, if the dude who bought her, if they don't come through, bro, hey, tell me, bro, I'll send you the bread. Bird done already paid this girl in full. Bird say, Fetty, that is my dog. Ain't nobody getting my dog, Fetty. You on that? You on that? You on that, boy? You on that, boy? All right, come on. Get down. My back hurt, boy. Shit, my knees. Come on. All right, that's enough. Mirror my knee. I'm going out. Man down. All right, family. Now, shout out to my man, Justin. My AirPod just died, so I don't know if it sounds different, y'all. But if it do, my AirPod just went night-night. But family, that's my boy. That's Justin boy. I want to tell y'all this boy name so bad, but you got to go check out Justin's channel, y'all. Please go subscribe to Justin's channel. I'll put a picture of his thing on the screen. That's Justin boy right there. The boy bad. This boy bad, family. Ooh. But let's hit him with his shot real quick. Yes, Papa. What's that? It's a dinosaur? Show YouTube your dinosaur. All right, family. I mean, no, don't go up there. Them waters fall on you, boy. But that's Justin boy right there, y'all. Ooh. 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 Amir, I said no, don't go up there. Yeah, family. Yeah. All right, fam. We'll be back with another one. Famelito. Famelito. That's my boy Isaiah boy. This boy already sold. This Isaiah boy right here. Mir, come sit right here. Come on. Sit right here. That's my boy Isaiah boy, y'all. Look at that, man. Ain't nobody doing it like SSK, man. Come on, ain't nobody doing it like SSK, man. Famelito. Famelito. Come stand right here, man. Come right here. Say, Famelito. All right, fam. Isaiah, let's hit your boy with a shot.
Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy.
Yes, Papa. We got one more boy after this, y'all, and we done. One more boy. That's my boy Isaiah boy. Ooh, they ain't got it. Man, my back hurt. I told you, my knee's bad right now. Sit down. I ain't soaking them in no Epsom salt. Cut it off. Shit. All right, family. Shout out to my boy James.
James.
Say James.
James.
Yeah, James. This James boy right here, this boy here is a goddamn trunk, family.
Teddy bear.
Yeah, we're gonna call him Mr. Teddy Bear.
Shut up.
Mr. Teddy Bear. Look at that boy. Ah, family, they ain't got this, man.
Yeah.
So they ain't got this, daddy.
Daddy. Dad. Oh, gosh, yeah.
Let them know, man. Say they ain't got this.